Hello everyone, my name is Amol More and welcome to our channel Solution to Blackbook. Now today one of our students has asked us this very interesting question. The question is 0 to 215 integral of sine of pi by 2 gif of x dx. Okay, so better than doing this question by integration method, we will understand it by the area method. Now the actual meaning of this particular thing is nothing but area of sine pi by 2 gif x from x equal to 0 to x equal to 2015. This is the meaning of this integration. Very simple. So basically we need to calculate the area of sine of pi by 2 gif of x from 0 to 215. So how to deal with it? So what I'll do, I'll make you understand every bit step of this particular curve. So basically we are going to trace the curve and that's it, we'll get our answer. So let me try and say we are splitting this function piecewise. So our function is sine of pi by 2 gif of x. Okay, so let's start. Suppose the value of x is from 0 to 1. Now from 0 to 1 the GIF value will be 0 because GIF of x will be what? 0. So sine of pi by 2 into 0 would be 0. That's it. From 1 to 2. Okay. So GIF of x over here would be 1. So this will be sine of pi by 2 into 1. So sine of pi by 2 which is equal to 1. And from 2 to 3. From 2 to 3 the GIF of x is equal to 2. So this will be sine of pi by 2 into 2. Pi by 2 into 2 is pi. So sine of pi would be 0. And from 3 to 4 the GIF of x would be equal to 3 and sine of pi by 2 into 3 which will be sine of 3 pi by 2 minus 1. Okay, so what will happen from 4 to 5? From 4 to 5 also I will show you. From 4 to 5 what is going to happen? The GIF of x would be equal to 4. So sine of pi by 2 into 4 will be sine of 2 pi and 0. So basically this cycle is going to repeat 0 1 0 minus 1. This particular cycle is going to repeat. Now let us start making the graph. Okay, so for those who did not get the cycle, I would like to give you one more example. Suppose the value is from 5 to 6. The GIF of x would be equal to 5. So sine of pi by 2 into 5. Sine of 5 pi by 2 is 1. I hope now you got it. From 6 to 7 it will be again 0 and from 7 to 8 it will be again minus 1. So 0 1 0 minus 1 0 1 0 minus 1 0 1 0 minus 1 is going to repeat. So let us make the graph of this particular function something like this. Let us start. Okay, so over here I have 1 and over here I have minus 1. Over here I have 1, over here 2, over here 3 and over here 4. So observe very carefully the cycle. Okay, so from 0 to 1 the answer is 0. It means the curve will be, I will plot the curve with which color? Let us say purple. From 0 to 1 it will be 0, right? And from 1 to 2 it is 1. So from 1 to 2 it will be 1. Right? And from 2 to 3 it will be 0. From 3 to 4 minus 1. So from 3 to 4 it will be minus 1. Okay, so that is your particular graph. Okay, now observe from 0 to 1 the area is 0 only and from 1 to 2 the area is this, right? What will be the area? This is 1 unit and even this is 1 unit. So it is basically a square. The area would be 1 square unit and from 2 to 3 it is 0. From 3 to 4, again it is 1 1, so the area will be 1. But this is a positive area and this is a negative area because it is downside. So this positive area and this negative area will cancel, and from 0 to 4, okay, from 0 to 4 your answer would be what? 0, because integration would be plus 1 minus 1, which is 0, right? So this cycle of 4 will always have area 0, and we needed to integrate from what? 0 to 215. Okay, so cycle of 4, so 0 to 4 area 0, 4 to 8 area 0, 8 to 12 area 0, 12 to 16 area 0, and this will continue up to what? 2008 to 2012. All areas will be 0. So all that we are left with is 2012 to 2015. So what we'll do is we will plot that area. Okay, 2012 to 2015. So let me say I change this particular numbers because the cycle is going to repeat after 2012. Can you guess that? Check out here. After 2012, the cycle is going to repeat from 2012 to 2016. So let me say that in this particular graph, we start with 2012. Okay, we start with 2012 and plot this graph like this. Somewhere over here I have 2012, then 2013, then 2014, and then 2015. Right, now the cycle is going to repeat. The cycle is how? 0 1 0 minus 1. This is how our cycle is, right? If you want to have a look 0 1 0 minus 1. This is the cycle. So 2012 to 13, the answer is 0. 2013 to 14, the answer is 1. And 2014 to 15, the answer is 0. Now from 0 to 2012, the answer is already 0. From 2012 to 2015, this is 0, this is 0. Only this part is remaining and there is nothing to cancel it. So this is also a square with this side as 1. So the area would be equal to 1 square unit. Area would be equal to 1 square unit. So the correct answer to this question would be 1 only. Okay, so let us say what is the answer for this question. So the answer is 1. How did we calculate it? We did not get much into the integral. We just plotted the curve, understood how the areas are cancelling. The area above x-axis is always positive. Area below x-axis is always negative. So they are going to get cancelled as shown in this diagram. Okay. The most important thing was piecewise splitting of the function. Once you do that, this question becomes very easy. The answer for which is 1 square units. If you understood this concept and the clarity that I provided for the area question, please like this video. And if you haven't subscribed to this channel yet, माता रानी पाप लगाएगी, please do subscribe. तो आज के लिए बस इतना ही. This is Amol More saying bye bye to you.